So दोस्तों वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो दोस्तों आज आ गया हूँ आपके खिदमत में एक और नया प्रोजेक्ट लेकर गेट लाइव की तरफ से, जो कि है मोर, जिसका मैं आपको रिव्यू दूंगा। तो मेरे साथ दोस्तों बने रहिएगा। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच। सो मोर गेट विल एंटायर लिस्ट मून वेल more spot trading, stake USDT, GT more in launch pool to earn Orly, more Orly. So welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. So Gateway list Monwell more for spot trading at 12 on June 27, 2025 UTC. To reward or US user, you can stake USDT GT more in Moonwell. More launch pool to earn 3.000.000 more airdrops for free with rewards distributed every hour. More spot trading. Trading start June 27, 2025, 12 UTC. So this is a deposit link. You can see my dear friends. So this is a trade link. So this is both link. You can trade now and deposit now. So more launch pool. Stake period June 26, 2025 at 12, July 6, 2025 at 12 UTC. Total staking rewards more 3.000 more. So stake to earn, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइव के न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, इसका मैं आपको रिव्यू दे रहा हूं दोस्तों। तो वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे। तो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा ताकि आपको प्रोजेक्ट की एक एक इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सके। तो ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। सो तीन पूल है इसके अंदर, थ्री पूल इज प्रोजेक्ट। सो नंबर वन पूल इज ऑफिशियल पूल, मोर पूल। टोटल स्टेकिंग रिवॉर्ड 1.500.000. Point participation point 13.966. Token stake more. Price pool Horley cap 6.250 more. Mining period is 10 days. Individual Horley reward cap 6 to 5 more. Total staking 11.761.181.46 more. APR is 631.12%. So you can click the stake button. Welcome Crypto MacBook, welcome Crypto Prince. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So this is the stake button. You can click the stake button. You can minimum one more to stake now. So second pool is GD pool. Total staking is rewards 1.000.000 more. Participant is 12.306. Individual staking cap is 5,000 VIP GT. Total stake is GT. But price pool Horley cap is 4.166.66 more. Mining period is 10 days. Individual Horley reward cap 416.000 more. Total staking 4.076.284.55 GT. APR is 3.35%. So welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome क्रिप्टो प्रिंस एंड क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका लाइव स्ट्रीम का आने का और कमेंट्स करने का। वेलकम गेट यूजर, थैंक यू सो मच। सो यू कैन क्लिक द स्टेक बटन, यू कैन क्लिक स्टेक ऑन GT, minimum 0.01 GT you can stake now for this project. So third one is exclusive pool, USDT pool for newcomer. Total staking rewards 500.000 more. Participant is 1.110. Token stake is USDT. Price pool Horley cap is 2.083.33 more. Mining period is 10 days. Individual Horley reward cap 208.33 more. Total staking 1.43 0.550.86 USD. APR is 36.58%. So you can click now to stake now. So I have not staked because I have old user. This is a new user. You can see the message of this. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. So more. Now go to the official website, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is a Moonwell Entertainment Presents. So this is the official website for opening, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So you can see the official website and beautiful graph for the websites. More your change on will change testnets is now live. You can see, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the down. This is beautiful website and beautiful graphics for this websites. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So is live now. Welcome all gate user. Welcome crypto makebook. Welcome crypto prince. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome. How are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining crypto makebook. On your destiny. So with game excellence add or core or vision in to craft the automatic Web3 game contract experience or read for the next generation game about Manwall. So this is a website on gaming. You can see the beautiful graph again. S-Track. Stage 1 and Emirates Tower Defense Stake game. Click to explore. This is a share of this game. You can see 4. So extract. You can see, my dear friends, this is extract. Again, this is a beautiful view and website. Welcome Skyfall, welcome Dash 2516, welcome The Deed, welcome Zentel, welcome Nishad Jan, my dear friends, thank you so much. Welcome to join. An impressive tower defense strategic game. Take on stake 1 is Scouting Mobile Tower defense game that all about fun and strategic dive into the technical PvP and PvE battles with your friends. Welcome, thank you so much, Kingo 9191. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear friends. Thank you so much, Kingo. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. In Astrog, you get to choose your own command, assembly your dream team, and build your squad with the technical formation. Whether you are up for a quick brawl on a challenge shadow, there are versions, battle modes to keep you are entertained. Welcome and thank you so much, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. What happened? A mystery objective offering infinity emerging has Rashpad or world as humanity study its enigmatic natural humanity friends. It's solved by the objective will averting energy shortage. But when in Venice choose ensure national combined and it was called the end time. You can see the graph of what happened. Welcome and thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you so much for your comments. Kingo9191, welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining. All my dearest friends, thank you so much. Dear friends, thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the next one. Emerging of 4 schools of thought. Now that its back time is a rebound, 4 schools of thought emerging each. Genetic, home player. You can see the genetic, home plant genetic. Ability was present with the renewed genetic evolution. Citizen with the OM Omega Domain and Influxer members of the joint cancers like our parents. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So number second is Match NDO. This is the second one, Match NDO, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining. So home plants, Hyperborea. Welcome gate user, welcome crypto prince, welcome Hamid 55500. Much Pallades OTT once a rising star is the whole C. The orders was the optimized on excellence as the format surgeons in the entry hole C merchant heads. So number three is Sprinkler home plant Aeon. Nyasa Jamila Life was the unforgettable available disconnections from the fourth generation is becomes of the Holy See Omses Order Nisa is the benefit abroad. So number four is natural home plants Aurora. Adrixicus was born in Holy See Adapters and the Samra. It is brother galaxy and underwent a highly transition spirituality education from a young age extremely. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. This is Astra Eric, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Come to all of you. This is a so now go to the more and my dear friends. Again join. So now go to the introductions. Moon Ever loyalty programs. Add Moon will be predictable players experience above all. We are decided to acknowledge and rewarding the contribution of our players to our ecosystem central to these programs are Moonbeams MBS, which are designed to reward community members who help in growth of the Moonville community. You can see the Moonville loyalty program. What is the Moonbeam? Moonbeams are the native points for the Moonville ecosystem that simplifies players' contribution and the participation. Moonbeams can be earned by engaging with the community, fantastic in-game performance, and completed tasks from the websites. As the central point system, Moonbeams ensure latest benefits to the most loyal community member in the Moonbill ecosystem. Players can exchange their Moonbeams from the variety of the rewards, including exclusive in-game assets and on-chain assets. Calculating additional MBS will also provide opportunity for us NFT whitelist events, token airdrops, and virtual premier parks. Welcome Ludlow, welcome Hasino, welcome Outstanding, welcome Cyber Prank, Danny, welcome Gate User, welcome Virtual. Thank you so much, our dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my our dear friends. So now go to the next one. What is the Moon Able Badge System? In collaboration with the Moon Beans Collaborations. Welcome and thank you so much. Beans with the proudly present the Moon Able Badge System as part of our loyalty programs. Our diverse range of badges have been specially crafted to track and rewards players' engagement. This badge not only commercial players' achievements but also unlock additional exclusive perks including MPS and excluding bonus yet to rewards. Thank you so much, Hamresh. I am Brother Sui. Welcome, Babu Han. Welcome, all gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. More surprises coming soon. Our future Moonville loyalty program will unfold in their passage, providing everyone with a accepting opportunity to redeem moon beams for substantial rewards soon. Reward based players. So you can see the reward based players Moonbeam badge. This is a Moonbeam badge. Moonbeams earn moonbeams, regular tasks, subscription campaigns, utilize the badge to awesome point the acclamation, speed, moonbeams, get rewards. This is a reward and gift. My dear friends, you can see all gate user welcome Hasnain double 208, welcome Kaya 07. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. So now go to the next one for my badge. So this is a badge you can see. So I have no badge, my dear friends. So now go to the I have next one. Community management task. Welcome to the task center. Rocket in the moon session. Complete as many tasks as possible to boost your rocket and fly to the moon. Community engagement. Please log in and claim your session first to unlock tasks and events. Digital assets verification. Please log in. So contact and also log in for the all viewers. Welcome and thank you so much. So digital assets verification. You can see my dear friends. Welcome Hasnain. Welcome Hasino. Welcome again Kingo9191. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So contract operations. So this is all one session events. And now go to the game. Astra game lore. 2028. Welcome and thank you so much. So this is a beautiful game, Puffy 2048. Play to airdrop. So you can see the beautiful graph for this website and this game, my dear friends. You can see this is beautiful graphs. Puffy 2048. Casual strategic mini game cute. So you can play and earn for this game. So join now and earn for this game, my dear friends. So Puffy to play to airdrop. Puffy 2048. Puffy is a moon 2048 is Moonwell digital full debit mini game building adventure gameplay with a charming cartoon. Visual players silent title to submersion number summing to the reach 2048. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Gate user. Thank you so much. Welcome, Crypto Prince. Thank you so much for joining. Unlock powerful props like the arrows, hammers, and rockets, each offering quick, unique, strategic, and clear of enhance your board. But be quick, this purpose won't last forever. Dive into the Puffy 2048 and experience the casual fun that captivity the Moonville community details. You can see the details casual and so follow us Twitter for Moon Visual Studio and join Moonville Discord, join Telegram. So this is the all channel of this game. So next one is Puffy Mini Miner. You can see the Puffy Miner. Beautiful Puffy Miner, Old Win, welcome Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Good morning, Crypto Princess. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto Princess, good morning. Crypto I, welcome my dear Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining. Crypto I ने भी हमें join कर लिया है live stream में. Thank you so much. So Puffy Miner, you can see the Puffy Miner, beautiful Puffy Miner. So about an overview for the Puffy Miner, I will tell about Puffy Miner. Is the second mini game is the Puffy series of the Moon Value mini game. Dive into the vibrant and the vision worlds filled to the challenge and rewards as use your book to cash tragedy whatever you are desired for the game meeting quickly creators characters and unlocking special purpose for free minors offers endless fun and explorations for players of all ages. Embark on a digital journey and see how you are deep. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, Crypto Princess, Crypto Prince, and Crypto. Thank you so much. How are you, Crypto Princess? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगी। तो क्रिप्टो आई वेलकम, आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया आपका लाइव स्ट्रीम में आने का। और यू क्रिप्टो आई, थैंक यू सो मच। सो दिस इज अबाउट फॉर दिस एंड दिस इज नाउ गो टू द टास्क। Welcome and thank you so much. This is a task history. You can play and task history. So I have leaderboard and task history. Again, no found history. This is the badge and so now go to the third one game. Puppy match. You can see the puppy match, my dear friends. Welcome Sonorio, welcome Kate Kiptoi, welcome Skyfall. Thank you so much Skyfall for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. So this is a pup match, my dear friends. You can see the pup match. So now go to the about and task, badge and overview pup match. Pup match overview. Pup match is a third game party. Third mini game is the pub series by the Move Well mini match positions to the clear them from the board to special trumps item to boost your score and level up faster with engaging levels and strategic game. So welcome, thank you so much, Crypto Princess. I am good, and how about you, Crypto Princess and Crypto I? Thank you so much for send the red flower. Thank you so much, Crypto I. तो आप हमेशा ही आते हैं और दिल खुश कर देते हैं बड़ा गिफ्ट भेज के और लाइव में प्यारे प्यारे कमेंट्स कर। थैंक यू सो मच। So this is a coming soon, push back coming soon. Explore the miss unwell hiding mystery in the bush and the imaging yourself and existing game adventures. So 320.538 Moonwalkers. So pre-registration. So this is a big coming soon है ये। So इसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं आप दोस्तों, लाजमी रजिस्ट्रेशन करें और ज्वाइन करें। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। Terrata overview. A dynamic NFT ecosystem. A Moonwell will put players' experience at the heart of everything. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. The heart of everything we do, we aim to build a dynamic NFT ecosystem that keeps players actively engaged with the our game and provides them with the ongoing rewards and returns in the future. Welcome again. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for the comments. Thank you so much. So now go to the next one, my dear friends. My assets. Introducing the Terrata NFT series. You can see the graph of Terrata introducing the Terrata NFT series. The groundbreaking and the strategic ecosystem NFT by Moonwell, the first ever releasing promising to be the most valuable and the sets after NFT product in the future on unique machine around collecting strategic, and the upgrading NFT will be the grant you exclusive ownership privilege and the rewards. Owning a Tetra NFT places you at the heart of the Moonbill enabling ecosystem we have carefully. Thank you so much for the again red flower. Craft a board ecosystem of benefits across in the game platform offering imminent and the providing you with the contracts long-term return sizes. This excluding chance to be a part of the future of gaming and NFT all while wrapping introducing rewards for Moonbell unique Tetra NFT. Welcome new name, welcome my dear. Thank you so much Crypto Vibe for the game. Red Flower, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. तो लगता है क्रिप्टो भाई क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस बेहोश हो गई हैं वापसी से 2 मैसेज करने के बाद। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। बट आप आए बहुत खुशी हुई। Collect sentence size and upgrade in the Team Tetra NFT series. The ensure enhanced sense of your gameplay revolves around collecting satisfies and the upgrading owning high-level Tetra NFT not only grants you the increased rights, rewards, and influence within our ecosystem, but also bring greater responsibility for the community. Welcome Crypto 77 Bangladesh. Welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. We have 3 levels of Tetra NFT. Collecting multiplayer levels are I Destiny Tetra NFT to centralize and the upgrade to high level NFT. Destiny Tetra level 1, Authority Tetra level 2. You can see the graph and merge, my dear friends. You can see this is a beautiful graph. Third, second, and this is the third. So Infinity Tetra है. Now go to the privilege of the Tetra NFT series. We have customized special rewards and benefits for the different levels of Tetra NFT owners. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome Kingo 9191. Welcome my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So privilege of the Destiny Tetra. Destiny Tetra. Number 1, early access to future events. Number 2, exclusive benefits with the community. Number 3, has more token airdrops privilege. Number 4, guaranteed game test privilege for future game produced by the Moonbill. Number 5, holders can claim free battles pass. Hotel pass, lifetime in-game discounts, special in-game prepares airdrops. In the future or securing and upgraded levels 2, encouraging Tetra NFT of level 3. Infinity Tetra NFT will actually boost your benefits and unlock a more devices range of gameplay and rewarded powerful view viewful privilege get. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is the number 1 privilege. So now number 2, you can see the number 2 privilege of Infinity Tetra. Welcome all gate user, welcome no name, welcome and thank you so much. Again and again, thank you so much my dear friend, thank you so much for joining. live stream. So number one, early access to future events. Number two, exclusive benefits within the community. Number three, more than airdrops privilege. Number four, guaranteed game test privilege for future game produced by the Moonville. Number 5, holders can claim free battles pass. Number 6, lifetime in-game discounts. Number 7, special in-game purpose airdrops. Number 8, access to the Moonville ecosystem fluctuations tools. Number 9, Moonville liability programs privilege. Number 10, future NFT privilege discount airdrops and more. So level 3, Infinity Tetra. So privilege of Infinity Tetra. So this is our number one. Welcome Code Sachi. Welcome Gate user. Welcome Skyfall. Hi, how are you Skyfall, my dear friend? Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. So early access to the future events. Number 2, exclusive benefits with the community. Number 3, more token airdrops privilege. Number 4, guaranteed game test privilege for future game produced by Moonville. Number 5, holders can claim free battles pass. Number 6, lifetime in-game discount. Number 7, special in-game purpose airdrops. Number 8, access to the Moonville ecosystem finalization tools. Number 9, Moonville liquidity program privilege. Number 10, future NFT discount, airdrops and more. So number 11, 12 and 13 and 14 hide for you can see this is not unlocked for this. Welcome gate user. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Most mode. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So, most node and our innovative approach to programmative decolonization. Node sale, welcome and thank you so much, my dear friends. Gate user, welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. You can see the beautiful website and beautiful graph for this. So active 19.441 nodes. Total rewards 19.219 more. Last period 49.883 more. So you can see the MOSA. So what is the MOSA node? Go to the mode sale Moonville. Node sale. वेलकम थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम सो जो जो दोस्त मुझे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं साथ के साथ फॉलो भी करते जाएं दोस्तों और कमेंट्स लाजमी किया करें जो जो मेरे दोस्त इधर मौजूद हैं कमेंट्स भी लाजमी किया करें वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम सो बहुत शुक्रिया बहुत अच्छा लगता है आप सब लोगों के कमेंट्स देखकर और आप सब लोगों को लाइव पे देखकर रेफरेंस रिवॉर्ड्स मोर सेल इज नॉट हेयर सो रेफरेंस रिवॉर्ड्स track your referral codes using the earning data will update regularly. Your earn tokens will show here after user and apply your referral code to make a purchase. Claiming can only be done after in enable usually a few hours after the sale. Your valid referral code will active open your first purchase if the trials in eligible. The referral code is only valid for the purchase made within the same chain which you are entirely bought to the node. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Welcome back, Crypto Princess. So Crypto Princess गई थी नाश्ता करने के बाद वापसी आ गई हैं मेरी लाइव पे. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. सो क्रिप्टो लीव नज़र नहीं आ रहे क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, वो कहाँ है? क्या उनकी मॉर्निंग अभी तक नहीं हुई क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस? Thank you so much for joining. Oh, Crypto Princess ने आते ही फ्लावर दिया और दिल खुश कर दिया. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. for the flower. Thank you so much. So now go to the back and our topic. So welcome Moonwell. So this is a mini game product level top quality games. You can see mini game and Atrox, Shock, Obsidic, OPS and identity layers, Aphra layer. You can see the beautiful graphs. This one. So again about an overteam. Oh wow. Oh damn. Dot JCO. So this is the CEO for this MGO CEO. X review. Seniors leadership 10 years game dip. Publication experience lifetime hardcore game. Star code prop investments backing run big. Treble signer signature dynamic daydreams. Consortium taking copy too much. Amateur closer. Welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, oh, oh. Welcome, 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 my dear. So, crypto princess is बेहोश again and again. So, अभी आप उठी हैं और आते के साथ ही बेहोश. Good one, crypto princess, and thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So, crypto princess इतना बेहोश नहीं होते. Investor and partners. You can see the all investor and partners. Patterns, Gumi, Graptors, American, Long Hash Key Capital, Hybrid Mites, Krypton, Mars, so PES, QYG, Me, Puzzle Mutual. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the next one, news. News and blogs, future, rocket to the moon. You can see the rocket to the moon. This is a rocket to the moon. Welcome. So get ready to back moon session 1. Rocket into the moon. You can see the rocket to the moon. So May 27, 2025. Moonville session system represent a cutting edge ecosystem or our liquidity program allowing players to unlock increasing rewards as the progress. Each session feature a unique theme injected on elements and excitement and the devices into the experience. The first session turns rocket into the moon. It's now live. Let's strive for the upcoming more tokens. Airdrops. Welcome and thank you so much. Upgrade, accumulated change, and exclusive rewards. Welcome to the Moonville session system. We join our new sessions. Extremely low barrier of entry. All moonworkers can supply register to receive the standard session pass. Exclusive reward. The session rewards are powerful. Thank you so much. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस परफेक्टली फाइन है. बहुत खुशी हुई सुन के क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Task mystery page of the moon task. Moonbakers complete the higher level of this session. Pass you can reach and the craters to the reward the receive. Empower the Tetra NFT holders. Privileged NFT holders will enjoy up to the 200 moonbeams multipliers in selected events and more privilege. Faster closer bonds among moonwalkers with the efficiency. So the including connection on our community minimize gameplay. The session system in closely integrate with the Moonville multi-game universe, providing user with the automatic and investment enjoyments. So unlock achievements. You can see the unlock achievements, wrap rewards to the moon whale, my dear friends. Badge system unveiled. So welcome and thank you so much. So this is a moon whale blog on Medium websites. We are trying introducing badge to the moon whale badge system as an integrated components of the overall utility system program. So Moonville Badge System Unwallet, thank you so much for joining live stream. वेलकम. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस कैसी हैं आप? ठीक हैं? तबीयत ठीक है आपकी? तो आप बेहोश होने का कोई और इरादा तो नहीं है आपका? वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सो मच. ये लें आपके लिए मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट आ गया है. So what is the value of wedge versus moonbeams? Is the future in the future moonbeams with the track players ongoing contribution within the community with the accumulate points allowing for the efforts regulations of their involvements where the badge system will validate players identity enhancing players sense is belonging with the community additional select high tier badge with bid transfers into the SPD become one of the players on chain assets alongside Infinity NFT Moonbeams. Moonbeams. So higher tier badge with the transfer into the become one of the player chain assets allowing the NFT and so Moonbeams enabling players to contribute to the community ecosystem in the moon, fitting minor the will consolidated rapid fast and benefits are types are of the benefit page and been designed to track and rewards player engagements. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for the again flower. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. So उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से हैं, ऐसे ही खुश रहा करें और गुस्सा ना हुआ करें. Thank you so much for joining and live stream, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining. So now go to the next one and next one is white paper for this topic. Welcome and thank you so much. Welcome and thank you so much. वेलकम वेलकम. गुस्सा क्या होता है? वेलकम. सो अभी भी फिर आपने गुस्सा करके ही पूछा है कि गुस्सा क्या होता है. वेलकम. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस अगेन गुस्सा करने के लिए. तो ऐसे ही गुस्सा करती रहा करें. इकोसिस्टम ओवरव्यू. मोन वैल्यू pioneering the next gaming ecosystem. Moonville GG emerging as a fresh gaming ecosystem built by the team of Sensense Gaming, a blockchain industry veteran, and with top quality game product ready to the live go. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Go live on the layer L to change the team comprise individual who will have the C-suite position at the same of the most successful companies with their responsive field to the nettest complex carve and the more specialty and impressive organizations and the talent for the radio game which the LED to the team began informing refers to the as it mafia. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, welcome Crypto Princess. बहुत शुक्रिया आपका लाइव में आने का और रौनक मेले का लगाने का. सो क्रिप्टो मिस, क्रिप्टो लियो और क्रिप्टो भट्टी किधर हैं? उनको लेकर नहीं आई. आज भी क्रिप्टो मिस मेरी लाइव पे नहीं आई हैं. तो आई एम वेरी ज़्यादा नाराज़. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. We have contributed to the major gaming titles such as League of Legends, Valorant, Minecraft, and the World of Warcraft. And no good game come from rapid delivery, community co-building, and illegal irrigation to the project leverage this deep understanding of game development operations. Thank you so much. So उनको उठाएं जल्दी से क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। सो मैं जल्दी इसलिए करता हूँ लाइव स्ट्रीम ताकि सब लाइव स्ट्रीम टाइम से कर सकें और टाइम सेट हो जाए। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम जल्दी करने से आप लोग कोई भी लाइव स्ट्रीम में ना आए। And Web3 technology and Moonbill aims to establish benchmarks, thought, self-development, gaming product to the set industry stand for future Web3 model gaming infrastructure to the then provide a comprehensive solution for the Web3 gaming sector, growth of vibrant ecosystem of both game developers and enjoy engaging game user. So this is a Web3 picture. You can see, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you so much. Gate user, welcome. Nishad Jahan, welcome. Thank you so much. Gate user. Web3 design framework. On-chain, off-chain game. Moonbeams. You can see the moonbeams and moon badge. Area 20 NFT identity NFT ecosystem level NFT games increase and exclusive base of reference identities. Utility NFT with the finest exclusive proliferity with offer device implementation DFE operations. In the game dynamic NFT deeply integrate game performance enhancements node sales contribute completing power of the Moonbell L2 and earn rewards. In-game currency purchase, reward, revenue, exchange. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to join my live stream. Okay. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. आपने क्रिप्टो मिस को उठा दिया। बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। ऐसा करने के लिए आपको दिया जाता है, आपके डब्बे में निकला है चोको। So welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the next one. Core objectives. Connection enable players in game adoptions, gain filters, regulations, and relative rewards, combining traditional business models with the new appraisal that give higher stakes from players established, making their contribute more valuable and the feedback loop more intense to the type better engagements. वेलकम देयर क्रिप्टो बेस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो अभी आपका ही जिक्र हो रहा था, बहुत देर कर दी। अब आप टाइम देख लें, आप किस टाइम आ रही हैं लाइव की। थैंक यू सो मच, पर फिर भी आपका आने का शुक्रिया, बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया आपका आने का। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाँ, बिजी थी आप। वैलिडेशन प्रोवाइडिंग अ हाई एफिशिएंसी सॉल्यूशन टू वैलिडेट कंडीशन एंड outcomes without the need to third-party intervention. Legislations offering a low-cost proof of ownership that lays to the foundations for crypto protect and interoperability. So this is a picture. You can see the beautiful picture. Thank you so much. Yes. Crypto Miss, you like diamond. Thank you so much for joining live stream. वेलकम क्रिप्टो मिस, हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टो मिस, कैसी हैं आप? बाय गेमर्स फॉर गेमर्स। तो आज क्या आप गर्मी एंजॉय कर रही हैं? कल तो आप अच्छा कूल मौसम एंजॉय कर रही थी। ऑल गेमर कैन ट्रैक वेब3 इकोसिस्टम विद मोनवेल L2 chain powered by the Polygon CDC. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. सो गर्मी इंजॉय ना करें, ये ना हो कि बेहोश हो जाएं आप। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड ओहो, थैंक यू सो मच। आई एम बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा क्रिप्टो मिस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। Ecosystem play in a wide definite match for the Web3 gaming establishments, technological identity blockchain established a bottom-up solution for the identity ownership and transaction in game, removing, realizing or monopolistic platforms with on-chain assets and identity players and developers. Avoid fractures, allowing for the metric match between audience and game and enhancing players' settlements. Interoperability within the ecosystem, interoperability across product enables seamless management of multiplayer game titles. This virtual connection is the standout feature of Web3 game, allowing players identity, progress, and the access to the migrate between products regardless of the blockchain use, returning gaming to the player-centered experience. Finalizations boost within the ecosystem, decanalizations, finance is gaming allows capiting by the offering trust tools. Players is all of rigs performers can join for the different stage. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. But today is not my birthday. Today is my mother's birthday. No, dear, you are not so telly. You are very, very sucky for me. Yes, yes, yes. Crypto princess, crypto champions. I am gelling. I am Soteli. Yes, you are Soteli. Now, crypto prince miss is here. You are Soteli. Thank you so much. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. You are not gelling. Mission and vision. Thank you so much for joining live stream. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो मिस भी हंस रही हैं इसी बात पर. उन्होंने आपके साथ किया है मजाक क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. सो कैमरे में देख के हाथ हिलाते हैं. मिशन एंड विजन. मिशन moon value and decides pivoting and the game landscape by the leveraging blockchain technology. Or mission is the create immersive integration and rewarding gaming experience that transcends traditional boundaries, enabling players globally to the enjoy a new era of digital entertainments. That's not only entertainment but also enhancing vision. Or vision and Moonwell is the become a global leader in the gaming innovations by the integrating to the robust capability of the blockchain technology into a gaming ecosystem. We aim to the build a platforms where innovation drives community engagements, presence and the player contributions are valued throughout this vision. We seek to the set new standards for the gameplay excellence and the community environments, ensuring that each player's experience is not just a pastime but a valuable part of the dynamic interpretive world. Thank you so much, Gate user. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Yes, yes, Crypto Miss, you are Sagi. So that's why Crypto Prince is gelling. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear friends. Good morning and good afternoon and good night, all my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream and follow me, my gate user. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So Arc chip. Moonwell is a built a robust L2 architecture designed to the optimize boot gaming performance and blockchain fluctuations. Introduce Moonwell chain word polygon CDS. So next one is Moonwell chain. Moonwell chain is leverage the advanced capability of the Polygon capability development kit CDK create a customer layer 2 blockchain. This platform is designed specifically for the gaming community, ensuring rapid transition speeds, reduce cost, and the enhanced stability. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome Crypto I, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So Crypto I, आपकी ही कमी महसूस हो रही थी. आप भी आ गए, थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर क्रिप्टो वाई फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम अगेन क्रिप्टो वाई, आप आए, बाहर आई इस स्ट्रीम पे। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो वाई फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो आप जब भी आते हैं दिल खुश कर देते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिफ्ट, बेस्ट गिफ्ट देके जाते हैं आप हमेशा ही। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। So next one is what's CDK? Polygon CDK comes with development kit, a toolkit for building Biscoff blockchain network aids offering flexibility in choosing matching, virtual machine, and the order blockchain components. This modulator allowing to the Moonbill chain to trailer futures according to the specific needs to the its ecosystem fluctuates seamless integrations and the operation within the borders polygons networks. This section will interrogation moon will use of cutting enhanced blockchain technology of support and recognitions. Gaming platform highlights the customers and the reporting enabled by the Polygon innovation solution. Execute layer 2 liquidity is scores across version independent ecosystem requirement user to the endure up to weeks on withdraw lockup in the risk and reboot. Welcome, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome crypto miss. You also thank you so much for joining. Welcome Ronnie Hassan. Welcome crypto miss and Queen of Heart. Thank you so much. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome Subhan 9999, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Subhan, thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Crypto Miss and Crypto improving members, community engagements, contact publishing, and financial tools to fluctuate it multiples the live operators equivalents. Players from the third-party game can choose between the using Moonwell ecosystem token or the original in-game token to cover gas fees. These options giving user more flexibility, letting them the based on their professionals. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto Miss. आपने आते ही रौनक लगा दी और क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस लगता है बेहोश हो गई हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. Providing this option, the third-party game, the partners with the Moonwell will a game on more executing, providing player with the enhanced and enjoyable game. So we are engaged to establish and the material benefits ecosystem and with the Agar layer with the have the providing with the more room for the expensive. This enabling us to the integrate different game allowing the partners to the full customize to the part parameters of each game performance game to players to the offer version corporate operation opportunity in the future including exclusive on the chain distributions and more revenue sharing. Thank you so much my dear क्रिप्टो मिस, थैंक यू सो मच। तो क्रिप्टो मिस मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं लाई आज, आई एम सोतेला। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम, फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. So now go to the closing time and next one and last notes for unlocking rules. 100% gain launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project official launch, ensuring you start earning rewards immediately once mining begins. Reward distribution. The system will distribute token rewards to user spot accounts every or based on the preparation of the assets by the each user. Gate launch pool is reward to the welcome and to the launch pool. Gate Epic. So newcomer exclusive offer. Staking period only new user. You can see the sign up after June 2024. How to participate? Login into the Gate accounts and complete identity verification. Navigate to the launch pool. hold at least 0.01 USDT and 0.01 GT. 0.01 more. My dear friends, welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So verification and navigate to the launch pool. Exclusive staking limits privilege for the VIP user, VIP 5 and above user. Enjoying exclusive staking limits when participating in launch pool with up to a 500 staking limits bonus. You can see the all privilege. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess, Crypto Miss. Thank you so much for the comments. Crypto Miss. Thank you so much. Yes, I am very saga. Crypto Miss ने कह दिया Crypto Princess अब ना जलें आप. Thank you so much for gelling. Welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Project information providing by to the Moon Value More. Team, please follow the Moon Value More website for the more details. Introductions. Moon Value is the full stock Web3 gaming ecosystem. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So Web3, Web2, and Web gaming, Mind Core, driving approaches, Moon Value scores the mode code gaming user material infrastructure local empower realize capability network back into the Web3 most requested game including gaming cryptos capital animica virtual long hash secret icons. So thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome again Crypto Miss and Crypto Princess. Reimaging gaming on chain additional Moonwell node sales have surprised 11 million for the strategic anti-canalizations infrastructures. Token name is Moonwell and token symbol more. Maximum supply 1.000.000. Token type BEP 20. Token ID you can see my dear friends. Token distribution and unlocking rules. Private investor 21.56.2.5 TGA unlock 9 month clip 30 months. Visiting layer unlocks airdrop 6%, unlock TGA, unlock liquidity and marketing 5%, 100 TGA, unlock ecosystem 29% 5% TGA, unlock 48 month visiting layer, unlocks advisor 3.50 TGA, unlock 12% month clipping 36 month visiting layer, unlock node owners 20%, 25% TG unlock, monthly visiting layer unlock. Team 40.950 TG unlock 12 month clip for 36 month visiting layer unlock. So website and white paper I will show already my dear friends. So note, Gate Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platforms where user can stake GT, BT, ETS, USDT and other tokens to earn early adopts of hot of the new tokens with the lower entry barriers and higher APR ultimate platform for the effortless capturing marketing opportunity. Number two, please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your accounts and assets. Please adhere to the avalanche rules to events when participating in any cheating behavior probability. Dishonesty will result to the disqualification of the rewards. Where any dispensary because between the translation version and the where dispensary, the original version shall be. So the user in the United and the other instance location cannot access the service including the participation, event game or competition for the details resistance. Gate Lab investment disclosure. Gate Lab does not invest in the Moonwell more. Risk warning, the project team does not guarantee for the this one. Price will be not and lower than entire sale price. Please invest with the caution and I don't invest beyond your financial capacity. The crypto project is style entire project is factors including the operation underlying technology of the project and the other regulatory activity mind the contributor signified risk. Advanced technology and financial knowledge is the required to underline and evaluate the introduced risk of the crypto assets investments. The crypto market IS and the price of the token might fluctuate historically due to technical regulatory marketing factors. User may not be able to the withdraw all the purchased token due to technical issue. The project. So team Gate team join June 2024, 2025 Gateway to Crypto. Take action now. Stay connect, transparency and security. तो दोस्तों आज का जो प्रोजेक्ट था वो था गेट प्रोजेक्ट मोर फोनवेल। सो जिसके बारे में हमने बात करी, जिसकी मैंने वेबसाइट दिखाई आपको, ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट शो करवाई और उसका वाइट पेपर के बारे में बताया आपको। सो थैंक यू सो मच माय ऑल डियर फ्रेंड्स, क्रिप्टो प्रिंस, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, क्रिप्टो वाई, क्रिप्टो बेस, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक और भी मेरे सारे दोस्त जिन्होंने मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम पे कमेंट्स करे और आकर जो फॉलो किया, उन सबका बहुत शुक्रिया। तो दोस्तों आपसे मुलाकात होगी कल एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ और नए टॉपिक के साथ। सो तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाज़त, अपना ख्याल रखें और गॉड ब्लेस यू, गुड बाय ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स।